Welcome to Chimahaba Spiritual TV, where spirituality is our watchword. Please consider subscribing, like our videos, share our videos, and comment on the comment section. Hello viewers, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you for being here. On today's video, I want to share with us how you can break through from every spiritual problems. You that are always battling in the dream, you that are always eating in the dream, you that are always bedwetting, you that are always having sex in the dream, you that are always passing through stagnation, disappointment, blockages, failure, rising and falling. This recipe is for you. Make sure you watch this video to the end. And for those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, you are just coming in contact of this face for the very first time, you are highly welcome. My name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel is all about spirituality. We share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual remedies, spiritual messages, messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you to solve your spiritual problems, messages that will help you to defeat your enemies using the power of God Almighty, the power of the universe, and the power of my father's deities and ancestors. Also using natural ingredients, natural resources, natural roots, natural herbs that God has created, harnessing their spiritual power, spiritual energies, frequencies, and vibration in manifesting our spiritual tips. So if you are just joining us for the very first time, if you are just coming in contact of this face for the very first time, you need to become a bona fide member of this channel by subscribing to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you will get notified. Like my videos, comment on the comment section, share my videos on Instagram, on YouTube, on TikTok, on Facebook, and give them a thumbs up. And as you do this, may God continue to bless you. For those of you who are my bona fide subscribers, my returning viewers, my day one gang, my fans, you know who you are. Those of you who has been patronizing me, buying my spiritual materials, those of you who has been trusting me in money and in kind, I pray for you as the sun has risen from the east to the west, to the north, to the south, and nothing could stop the sun from rising. Nothing will stop you from making it, and so shall it be. Please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel, and God bless you. On today's video, I have come with another power pack information, another recipe, another spiritual tips that will help you to come out of your bondage, that will help you to come out of that evil activities, that evil manipulation, that evil practice that the enemies are using to manipulate your life. Are you the type that eats in the dream? Are you the type that have sex in the dream? Are you the type that always battle in the dream? You see yourself going back to your olden days. You see yourself wearing a school cloth. You see yourself living in an old completed building. You see masquerade chasing you in the dream. These are the ways the enemies, these are the way the evil people used to attack someone that has destiny, used to attack someone that has brighter future. If you are a person that you have a brighter future, enemies will be fighting you helter skelter. Someone who does not have a destiny, someone who does not have a brighter future, hard things does not happen to that person. Ask yourself, why is it that anything that I do, I don't succeed? In the dream, you see yourself battling, fighting. You see masquerade chasing you. You see yourself in an uncompleted building in the village. Why you are living in the town? Why you are in Europe? Why you are in America? But you see yourself in the village. Yes. Some people are trying to weigh you down. They are trying to bring you. They are causing leaking pocket, empty pocket. They are causing blockages. You are a man that you eat in the dream. When once you are eating in the dream regularly on a regular basis, be rest assured that your destiny, you are eating them up. It's not every dream that you dream, that you eat in the dream, or you have sex in the dream, is from your spiritual wife or spiritual husband. It's a lie. Some evil people, some evil friends, some evil brothers and sisters, some evil cousins, they come through your dream to come and poison you, to come and feed you with a feed of bad luck, with sicknesses, with diseases, with affliction of set backwardness. Take it from me now. Those who come to you to have sex in your dream, they might be individual trying somehow in one way or the other to afflict you with infection, to afflict you with diseases. Some HIVs that you see people carry around, they are not something that happens ordinary. Some of them are spiritual. Some illness that we see today, some sickness that we see today, most of them are spiritual sickness. You see yourself, all of a sudden you develop moving object in your body. Have you asked yourself, how did I come in contact of moving object? How did something start moving all over my body? Most of them are affliction of the devil, that they have afflicted you through dream. That man, that woman that has taken it upon himself or herself, that he will never have rest until he has destroyed you. Say no to that person. First and foremost, fight for yourself. Pray until something happens. So on today's recipe, if you are encountering spiritual attack, evil dream, evil manipulation, all you need to do is to go and get me cloves. Number one item and material we need on this recipe is your cloves. I will bring it out when I want to teach. Another item you need is your garlic clove. We have cloves on this recipe and we have the garlic. Another item is your sea salt. I recommend sea salt because sea salt, the one that has stone, is very powerful. So we are going to be using these three materials. Yes, in order to stop our enemies before they stop us. These three materials will help you to break through from every spiritual problem, every spiritual evil attack. But before I go on, let me tell you what these materials do. Number one, garlic is believed to have the expectational powers of driving evil spirit away. That is number one. And salt cleanses the inner mind spirit, both physically and spiritually, and drives away negative energies, drives away evil spirit. At the same thing, as I am talking to you, the same thing comes to cloves. Cloves represent purification. It represents protection. It represents spirituality. Cloves will help you drive away negative energy. It will help you drive away evil spirit. So how are you going to use these three materials, these three spiritual materials that God has given to us to stop evil attack, to stop evil dreams? Before I go on to tell you what you are going to use them to do, I would like to introduce my product small because it is called Walk and Chop. For those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, my name is Brother Chima and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel is all about spirituality. And we have our spiritual materials that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands. A lot of people has been buying these spiritual materials and it has been from one testimony to the other. Listen very good. If you need any of these spiritual materials, don't hesitate to place your order online here and they will get to your doorstep. We have the Love Me and Marry Me soap. We have the Deliverance soap. We have the Call Money soap. We have the Love Magnificent soap. We have the Mercy and Favor soap. We have the Curse Breaking soap. We have the Road Opening soap. We also have the Back to Sender soap. We have the Anti-Witchcraft soap. Then we have the Equable Plus Detox, the Movement Object Remover, the Movement Object Destroyer. Have you eaten something in the dream? Is something walking inside your body? Is something moving all over your stomach like snake? Is it moving inside your brain? Are you hearing strange voices? Are you hearing something speaking to you? Are you being manipulated by the evil ones? Are you falling sick at night and getting better in the morning time? And you have been to the hospital, the doctors have diagnosed you, they are seeing nothing. I have the antidote to your problem. It is called Equable Plus Detox, the Anti-Witchcraft Poison Dissolver, the Moving Object Remover. This product is tested and trusted. A lot of people has bought it from Germany, from US, from South America, and the testimony, it has been testimony galore. I can beat up my chest 100 times and tell you that this Equable Plus Detox is tested and trusted. All you need to do is to contact me on my WhatsApp number +234 7088136610. That is my number, the number you see on the screen here. I have the antidote to your problem. We also have the Favor soap. the love and attraction soap, the stop evil oil, the 99 demons stop evil oil. We have the protection bracelets, the attraction bracelets, original honey, original pancake oil. The last but not the least, we have the hand me not soap. Each and every of these soap are produced by me in my own local hand and charged by the Spirit. And if you need them, don't hesitate to call me on the phone. We ship all part of the whole world. We ship Europe, US, America, South America, all over Africa with DHL, EMS, and FedEx. You just place an order. With the interval of 4 days, 5 days, your order will get to your doorstep. Thank you. Without wasting each and every one of your time, let us go back to the recipe of today. Using garlic, clove, and salt in order to break every spiritual problem that has been tormenting you. Be it evil dream, be it monitoring spirit, be it manipulation of the evil people. With these 3 ingredients, with these 3 materials, you are going to stop every spiritual battle, every spiritual attack, every spiritual problem from your enemy. All you need to do for me is to get 10 cloves of garlic, 10 pieces of garlic. Get me 10 pieces of garlic. When you get me 10 pieces of garlic, blend this garlic, blend it with your blender or pound it with your mortar. After that, bring it out. Look for a white bowl that is clean. Put it into a white bowl. Then cook a hot water. Cook 1 jug of hot water. Add it into the garlic that you have blended. Then get me your clove. Most of us don't know what clove is, but you can get clove. Clove is very powerful. It drives away evil spirit. It drives away negative energy. Clove is a prefier or a purification or a prefier. I am not an English spoken person. Yes. And clove is good for spirituality. So you blend your clove into a powdered form. After blending your clove, the clove has to be 14 pieces of clove. Blend it into a powdered form. Add it into the hot water that you have added your garlic clove also. Then you bring sea salt. This is my sea salt. You can't sea salt 21 pieces. Why I recommend sea salt? Because it helps you to activate the spiritual work. You count 21 pieces of sea salt and add inside the hot water, the warm water. You give it few minutes. 10 minutes is okay. 20 minutes is okay. 30 minutes is okay. As your heart leads you, just give it. You can give it an hour for it to subdise, for the water and the garlic and the clove and the salt to mix together, for their energy to come together, because you are harnessing their spiritual energy to stop that evil attack, to break through from every spiritual problem, be it eating in the dream, set backwardness, evil marks, stagnation, rising and falling, barrenness. After that, look for your shifter and shifter the chaff of what you have prepared. That water, look for a container and put that water. You are going to use that water to take your bait for 7 nights. How are you going to take this bait? You will take this bait after taking your normal bait. You add a little of the water that you have prepared into a different bucket. You use it to pray against that which you have been passing through, against every evil dream, against every evil spirit, every demon on assignment, every monitoring spirit, every follow demon, every stagnation, every backwardness, every rising and falling, everything causing sickness in your body. Pray against it and pour that water in a different bucket. Use the water to rinse your body. Yes. After taking your normal bait, that is when you are going to use the water. You make your prayers and use the water to rinse your body from your head to your toe. And this recipe is best done at night. Yes, when you are done, that you know that you are finished what you are doing, you take your normal bait and you want to go to sleep. After taking your normal bait, use this recipe on your body and go to sleep. You will never experience bad dream. You will never experience stagnation. You will never experience failure. Do it for 7 nights. That spiritual problem, that spiritual battle that you are going through will come to an end. And as you are doing this, you will start experiencing, you will start losing evil friends. That is number 1. Number 2, your door of prosperity will be opening. Yes, You will begin to receive favor. If you are the type that does not receive favor, the earth will favor you. The universe will favor you. God will favor you. Those that forget you will remember you. At this junction, I have come to the end of this video. Please go and put this in practice and come back with your testimony. I really need your testimony. And if you have never subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. Like my videos, comment on the comment section, and God bless you. See you in my next video.